Hello and welcome to the video on basic referencing using Word. Firstly, start with Word 2010. We should see something like this. This is fairly standard on most versions of Word. If you're using the online version of Word, you probably won't have this tab here, which is the References tab. So if you do have, please open it and follow along. Basically, it all works through Manage Sources. If you're looking in here, so basically this list here is the master list. As you can see, I've got a few already entered. This stays with your computer. There's a file there, sources. That file stays with your computer, and it's all the details and referencing details of all your sources. To put them over to the current list, you'll need to copy them over. So this list stays with the current document, so you can use that one. Obviously, if you don't already have them in there, you're going to have to create a new one. So that's fairly straightforward. Follow the prompts. You've got a whole heap of choices there. It can be fairly, if you're not sure, maybe add miscellaneous. You can also add more fields if you need to, and this will give you an asterisk next to the things that you need to find out. When you're doing your research, you need to find out this information. Year is important, authors are important, that information is, you should be looking for it where you, okay, so most often you probably have something like a website, and you may need to fill in these things. So if you put the cursor in the spot down below here, it tells you the types of information that you need to put in there. So I'm just going to make up one here, Smith, J. If you need to add more authors, Jones, A, H, add it. Okay, you can keep doing that. If it's not a person's name, it might be just making this up, name of the web page, which is generally the title you'll see about the top. Okay, the year was a recent one, 2016. Year I looked at it this year in May on the 2nd using the 2, and the website was http://w.com. Okay, so put that in there. That adds to your list. That's the hardest thing you need to do for your research project, for your putting the research in. Go through here. So now when you're typing away, you might make a statement. Okay, another good sentence, but I'm choosing an example. Insert. That one puts the author's name. Okay, you can play around with this reference. Okay, you can edit the citation. So I've already mentioned it. I might suppress the author's name. I may suppress the title. I don't want to. Okay, you can also take you back to the source and edit it here. And if you really want to and you think you're done with that, you can convert it to a static text, which means you can delete and do what you need to do as if it was static text. Okay, when you get to the end of your research, you can do that, which will then obviously put it, this is alphabetical order, and it also updates. So if you add anything to this side, it will update in alphabetical order. Okay, so if I was to, for example, add something new, update, it would update it and it appeared down the bottom there. So that's basic referencing. If you're interested in going further, this is the online reference generator. Okay, the password is pages if you're using it outside of the network here. This link is on our website. So let's begin. Senior referencing, it gives you a whole bunch of different things. And we were just recently talking about a survey, an online survey referencing that. So you're filling in the details here. Obviously, fill it in and it gives you a reference. So this is how you might do it in your text, or like this. And this will give you the reference when you fill out these details. So, spell my name correctly. Obviously, fill in the rest of it, create citation, and it will get you this, and you copy and paste this into wherever you need to put it. Okay, so going back to this, so then you may put that in there. Okay, we'll fix up. So that's basic referencing. It's a useful tool. The hardest thing is to build this list up, and as you can see, some of mine have been built up over the years. There are ways to go about getting basic references. So be thankful that this exists. It's a useful tool. You can use it.